Yo guys, welcome back to Cryptoria. Today I'm going to be covering Safepal, but before I do, I'll appreciate if you like, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload. And with that being said, let's go into this video. So what is Safepal? Safepal is a cryptocurrency wallet launched in 2018 that helps users to protect and grow their digital assets. Safepal provides hardware and software wallets all paired and managed through the Safepal app, and was the first hardware wallet invested in and backed by Binance. Safepal wallet supports numerous popular crypto assets in addition to popular tokens on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain and Tron blockchains. Users can store, manage, swap, trade and grow their portfolio without compromising asset security, according to Safepal. So jumping straight over to the price analysis, you can see over here Safepal, ticker name being SFP, currently ranked just shy of that 400th position, currently around 413. I will be going over the website later as well. Current price is just down 1% over the last 24 hours, circling just over that 90-cent level. Current market is really low as well, just over that 97 million. Circulating volume is over that 13 million. Going down to the chart very briefly, you can see it did have a couple of spikes towards that $3 mark before going down below that $1.50 for ranging for quite some time, before having that massive spike back around that $3 mark, before ranging again between that $2 to $1 mark around where it is at the moment. In terms of where you guys can buy it, therefore the best place will be on Binance, but you could trade against these other exchanges as well. So guys, I will be jumping over onto the website now. Jumping over onto the Safepal website, you can see here, always secure and protected wherever you go. So here's a little video in terms of how the device actually works. It looks really cool, literally the same size as a credit card or any other sort of cards you got. So it's really cool, and you can see here how exactly it works. So going down in terms of what products they actually have. So they have the Safepal S1, which I'll go in a bit, and they have the Safepal Cypher as well. So I will be going over this in a short while as well. You go ahead and pick up a leather case with it as well. In terms of the Safepal app, you can see here, store, buy, manage, swap and trade 10,000 plus cryptocurrencies all in one app. So this is how the app actually looks like. It looks like pretty much like any other exchange. You could trade against this as well and buy cryptocurrencies on their platform as well. Just going down here as well, we're serving individuals across the continent, so pretty much everywhere as well. You can see their partners as well, and in terms of what people are saying about this app itself. So going over to the actual device itself, you can see here the Safepal S1 hardware wallet. Here's a couple of images in terms of how it actually looks. It looks really cool in my opinion. It literally looks like a credit card, but you know, more of a techie credit card itself. So over here you can see in terms of the policies as well. Going down, you can see all the different type of packages as well. And over here, go ahead and check this video out as well. It tells you a bit more in depth on how to actually use the device. You can see here the first hardware wallet invested by Binance. So it's already backed by a huge exchange and company as well. So it is a safe project to get into as well. Always secure and protected wherever you go. EAL 5+ independent secure element, true random number generator, multiple layers of security sensor, self-destruct mechanism as well. So they're trying to compete against with other well-known sort of projects such as Ledger, Trezors and so on. So go ahead and check this out as well. Over here, 100% offline, air-gapped signing mechanism, truly cold storage. So no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, NFC and no USB connection. So it's really secure, especially when they have none of this as well. There is no way someone could actually hack your wallet. So again, manage unlimited tokens all in one device, supported 32 blockchains and 30,000 plus tokens till now. Unlimited currency storage, add and delete token as you like, onboard new tokens via firmware upgrade. So here's just a few tokens that they support here, like the popular ones such as BTC, Ethereum, XRP and so on. So go ahead and check that out as well. You are good to go anywhere, anytime. Only the size of a credit card, super light and easy to carry around. Manage your cryptocurrencies 24/7. So it's a bit like logging into your online banking, for example. You have a little device which helps you get onto the application itself. So it's pretty good that they have this as well, and it's all secure. Just make sure you don't give anything out to anyone. So what's inside the box? You get the hardware itself, a cleaning cloth, phrase card, which is a user manual as well, a sticker and a USB cable as well. You can go ahead and check out the specifications as well, and all the reviews is pretty much all all literally 5-star review, 6 4-star, but the majority is 5-star as well. Again, a bit more about the Safepal. You can see here, Safepal enables people to own and control their assets, store, secure and manage crypto assets at your fingertips. Safepal is dedicated to providing a secure and user-friendly crypto management platform for the masses to secure and grow their crypto assets safely and conveniently. It's the third hardware wallet invested and backed by Binance. Safepal is now serving more than 3 million plus users from more than 196 countries through its unique hardware wallet and software wallet product lines, all paired and managed through the Safepal app, where users can easily secure, manage, swap, trade and grow their crypto wealth without compromising asset security. So especially when a lot of people are investing money into cryptos, the first thing you want to think about is actually protecting your crypto as well, which Safepal promises to do. So again, go ahead and check this out as well. It's founded in 2018, over 196 countries, over 10,000 plus digital assets, 2 to 3 weeks updates as well on the product. Here's a globe with everyone's sort of positions and so on as well. Go ahead and check out the roadmap. But in terms of the recent roadmap, you can see here in terms of recent supports, they are supporting Cardano, AVAX and so on as well. So they are really trying to add as many crypto tokens possible, so everything is literally in one wallet for you guys. So again, to go ahead and check out this full roadmap. It does go all the way back from 2018 when it did start. So it is good to see where exactly they've been going as well in terms of progression. So again, endorsed and industry leaders is by Binance, so it is very, very well known as well. So guys, I will be jumping onto the price prediction now. So guys, yes, whatever's been waiting for the price analysis. So before I do jump over onto the analysis side of things, I do want to show you in terms of the growth this coin has had. So from the all-time low around that 10-cent level to all-time high around that $4.45 level, that was a 44.4x return. So for example, if you were to put around $1,000 from the all-time low and was able to sell around the all-time high, you would have made around $44,500. So huge gains you would have made. It literally across a couple of months. In fact, you can see here from that low of that month to the high of that month, you would have literally made a 44.5x return in literally 1 month. So if you were able to pick up then and sell them, huge congrats to you as well. But if not, there's still opportunity for this coin as I show you now. So you can see here, I have jumped onto the monthly time frame and I have highlighted these key zones over here. So that key level of resistance around that $3.30, again another key level of resistance around that $2, again another level of key resistance around that $1.60, and a huge support level around that 60-cent level, where it is roughly circulating around here. So you can see here, this support has rejected it for months. In fact, so you can see here these red dots that I've marked out was rejections on this support level. So it is a pretty strong support. So what I see happening here, again, a level of support being formed from this month and then hopefully going towards these level of ranges here, breaking these level of resistances around that $1.60 level before creating level of supports around there and touching towards this trend line at least. You can see the downward trend line that I did mark out as well, touch once, twice and possibly a third time before either a rejection from there or a breakout, retest and going above there, retesting these level of resistances around that $3.30 before bouncing up to that all-time highs where everyone wants to wait for. So that is what I'm thinking. So there is two scenarios which I'm thinking: create level of support, bounce from there, creating a possible range, maybe rejecting this level and bouncing off it, or completely breaking above, retesting that and then going towards that all-time high is what I'm thinking. Again, jumping onto the weekly time frame, you can see here I've highlighted two key level of zones. You can see here this zone here around that $3 mark, and again that support level around that 60-cent level. So going over it again, you can see the amount of times has been rejecting, all these weeks has been rejecting this level of support, and it's pretty strong support at this point. So what I'm thinking is happening, especially in the next couple of weeks, is hopefully breaking this little minor resistance level around that $1.20 before creating level of support and going towards that high around this resistance. You can see this resistance level being pretty strong at this point just because of the amount of rejection rejections it had around these levels here. You can see it was a huge spike and completely rejected it, huge spike again, rejected it, huge spike, rejected, huge spike, rejected. So this $3 mark is pretty key. If this was broken, there's a much more stronger opportunity to wick fill around this position to all-time high before going towards that $5, $10 and so on. So this key level needs to be broken in order for it to go much more further. So this is what I'm thinking in the short term especially. You can see, even if you zoomed out, you can see the amount of range that's actually happening between these two levels over here. So the resistance level really needs to be broken in order to see a new all-time high, or at least to match this all-time high around here. So that is what I'm thinking in terms of the weekly. Jumping onto the daily time frame, I've really broken this down in terms of where I see price might be heading to. So you can see here, using just past data analysis, you can see there's little minor ranges between these couple of weeks here, couple of weeks here as well, and ever since that range was broken, there was a massive upward momentum happening. So you can see here, when this range was broken back in July last year, there was that massive 138% increase from that breakout over here. You can see there again, from this range, when that was broken, there was a massive 210% increase when that range was happening. And you can see what's exactly happening. That breakout happened, it dropped back. Breakout happened and it dropped back to these levels again, touching these support levels multiple amount of times. So what I'm thinking of seeing again, that range is happening again with the last couple of weeks. So hopefully what happens now is the exact same process that happened before. There's going to be a breakout and hopefully the same amount percentage again, a rough 100% increase. And hopefully what it does is this massive increase down here is what everyone was waiting for. So that is exactly what I'm thinking. I just want to project the past data into the new data. So hopefully this plays out exactly how it does in the next couple of weeks or months or so. So guys, I'm gonna wrap the video up here. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on bell notification for all future videos. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one.